Steve Monroe is a founder in a technology startup. He wants his team to be razor-focused on delivering new features and scaling his product. His team does not have the bandwidth and the necessary skills to enable a mature DevSecOps automation. Skilled DevSecOps engineers are hard to find and retain. Steve faces the following challenges: product build deployment issues, security gaps in the product and cloud, growing cloud bills, monitoring issues and compliance issues. How does Steve solve this complex scenario? Introducing Kaiburr. Kaiburr enables DevSecOps as a service where CI/CD automation, cloud provisioning, security, cost, compliance and monitoring are implemented and continuously improved by Kaiburr for an affordable monthly fee. Steve can achieve a highly mature DevSecOps in 33% of the time, at 50% of the cost with Kaiburr. This is made possible by Kaiburr's deeply engineered all-ops platform and global pool of experts, combined with out-of-the-box CI/CD workflow templates, 350+ KPIs and 600+ best practices. Kaiburr also helps Steve to achieve the necessary security and compliance certifications. With Kaiburr, Steve can accelerate feature delivery and customer adoption for his product, get the security and compliance certifications, and make sure the product is highly available. More importantly, Steve can stay way ahead of his competition. Steve is indeed a super happy man. Reach us at contact@kaiburr.com to fast-track your DevSecOps journey.